Building cross-border business networks from scratch takes years of high-risk trial and error. You bypass that entirely with immediate, vetted access. Since 2015, the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor Business Platform has served as the single secure entry point, linking Pakistan to 149 Belt and Road Initiative nations. Operating in emerging markets without verified intelligence is a massive liability. This platform completely eliminates the risk of dealing with unverified intermediaries. This diagram illustrates the elite vetting protocol. Every member undergoes strict screening across 3 pillars: tax compliance, operational history, and legal registration. Supported in 5 languages, this protocol ensures foreign capital enters the Pakistani market with immediate, verified credibility. Right now, as CPEC advances into Phase 2, Chinese state-owned enterprises and private megacorporations are actively seeking local operational partners. These investors require established local land assets, public-private co-investments within special economic zones, and infrastructure for raw material value addition. Legitimate Pakistani companies gain immediate access to these high-yield, export-oriented joint ventures, provided they meet the platform's rigorous verification standards. Pakistan's mineral wealth is experiencing a sharp surge in international interest, making it the highest priority sector for incoming joint venture capital. This map of Pakistan highlights active opportunities in large-scale extraction. Notice the concentration of copper and gold operations situated in the Balochistan region. Expanding eastward, we see secondary opportunities in industrial energy generation, specifically coal and iron ore partnerships located in Sindh and Punjab. Finally, looking north, high-value export opportunities exist for marble processing in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and gems in Gilgit-Baltistan. Because these mining concessions require deep navigation of legal frameworks and highly secure logistics, foreign investors demand the CPECB protocol to guarantee they partner strictly with verified leaseholders. CPECB also connects Pakistan internally, linking the coastal financial infrastructure directly with the nation's industrial base. This flowchart maps the Karachi-Lahore corporate corridor. Watch the northern flow, which moves imported machinery and raw materials up from the ports to the industrial hubs. Activating the reverse route, we see the southern flow bringing agricultural yields, textiles, and value-added manufacturing back down to the coast for global export. Investors utilizing this platform plug directly into a pre-established, streamlined domestic supply chain, optimized for global export. For global investors, CPECB operates as the only secure, elite-vetted gateway to compliant local partners in Pakistan. For Pakistani enterprises, this is the exclusive digital club required to access CPEC Phase 2 capital and joint ventures. Secure your next major domestic trade route or global partnership today. Submit your inquiries through the official platform at cpecb.com.